promised, we have managed to get the big tank on the stand, and here is the amazing Back to Nature solid background. It's not glued in yet, and without water being in this tank it's a little bit hard to see with the glare, so I'm just going to go over the top. So here it is. I'm going to put a few little bits of planting in the little grooves in here, and then we're going to put some sand on the bottom, obviously, for the rays. We're probably going to do a little bit of filtration down the back of this because there is quite a good gap. If anyone's ever seen one of these before, it's got a little bit of gap down the back, so obviously we can use that for a little bit of filtration area as well, just to provide a little bit more. There's the tank from above. Such a big space. So we've got the gluing to do, sealing around all the edges of this background's going to take a little bit of time to do. I'm going to be getting it washed out and sand put in, decor around the sides, and soon enough we're going to have some fish moved in, which shouldn't be too much of a hard job because they're literally right there. So it's just going to be moving them straight across to here, obviously once it's up to temperature and everything. So hopefully what you'll be seeing on the next video is a little bit more work done on that, and also we'll probably get to see some progress on the section over this side, which we've been selling the display tanks off. And that's basically because we're making room for some more fish racks. So as requested, there's a lot more that we could then keep in stock at the same time, rather than having to sort of move stock around that we've got. So hopefully we'll be revealing a bit more of that soon, but that will take over this area here where these tanks are. All of these are sold, so these guys will be picking up at any point. And then Dan's got his work cut out because he's got to build a massive new stand to go there. Yeah, again, on my next video hopefully we'll have some more updates on what work we've been doing.